Yes, my dear friends, I'm going to record my next lecture, which is exercise 2.5, parameter 2.6, parametric differentiation, parametric differentiation. First of all, just I want to tell you that what is the parametric functions. If x and y are continuous function of t on an interval I, then the equations x is equal to x is a function of t, y is a function of t are called parametric equation and t is called the parameter. The set of x, y obtained as this. So any type of function which is written as x is equal to function of t and y is equal to, then it is called parametric function. Then we are going to write how to find the derivative of that one. So the derivative of that one is nothing but what we have to do, dy dx is equal to dy dt divided by dx dt. That means differentiate this function with respect to t and differentiate this function with respect to t. Replace here, this will give you parametric differentiation. That means derivative dy dx form. So I'm going to check how to solve that one. This is exercise 2.6, question number 1. For the following exercise, each set of parametric function is given. Without elimination, find the slope. Slope means dy dx. So what we have to do, I'm going to touch question number 1. Question number 1, x is equal to 3 plus t and y is equal to 1 minus t. So for the differentiation of that parametric function, what we have to do, we need to use this one, dy dx is equal to dy dt dx dt. That means differentiate y with respect to t and x with respect to t. So when I am differentiating with respect to t, x, so it is dx dt is equal to, with respect to t, that means d dt of 3 plus d dt of t. So d dt of 3 means constant 0 plus d dt of t is 1. So it is 1. And dy dt, that means differentiate this with respect to t. So d dt of 1 minus d dt of t. So 1 means again 0 minus d dt of t is 1. So 0 minus 1 means minus 1. So therefore dy dx is equal to dy dx is equal to dy dt. Dy dt is minus 1 divided by dx dt is 1. So minus 1 divided by 1 means minus 1. This is your answer. This is your answer. Similarly, we can do question number 2. We can do question number 3. Question number 2, question number 3. So I'm going to solve question number 3. What is dy dx? That means slope. So what we have to do for getting slope, just x is equal to 4 minus 3t. That means differentiate this one. Dx dt is equal to, see, this is derivative of constant 0 minus 3 d dt of t. So it is coming 0 minus 3 d dt of t is 1. So 0 minus 3 means minus 3. This is dx dt. Now dy dt. That means dy dt. Differentiate this function here. So derivative of constant is 0 plus d dt of 6t is 6. So 0 plus 6 is means 6. So what we have to do? Therefore, dy dx is equal to dy dt. Dy dt is 6 divided by dx dt is minus 3. So 6 divided by minus 3 is minus 2. So slope is dy dx is equal to minus 2. This is your answer. Second part, for the following exercise, Determine the slope of tangent line and then find the equation of tangent line, the given value of parameter. That means here t is equal to given. So what we have to do, just we need to check that. So for that type of question, I mean question number second part, for the following, determine the slope of tangent line and then find the equation of tangent line. So for equation of tangent line, I'm going to pick question number one. So for question number one, equation of tangent line is y minus y1 is equal to slope dy dx into x minus x1. So what we have to do, see x1 and y1. At this value, if you replace t is equal to pi by 4 here and here, then this will give you x1, y1 value. So x1 means 3 sine, t means pi by 4. So whatever you have, that is your answer. So what we have to do, just replace x is equal to pi by 4 here. This will give you x1, this will give you y1. Now I need slope. So what we have to do, slope means dy dx. So dy dx is equal to dy dt divided by dx dt. So now find out these values. So dy dt means differentiate y with respect to t. So dy dt means minus 3 sine t. Minus 3 sine t minus means minus 3 sine pi by 4. So it is equal to minus 2.1213, and dx dt is equal to 3 cosine t. That means t means pi by 4. So it is again 3, that means cosine 3 pi by 4, that means 2.1213. So therefore dy dx is minus dy dt, that means minus 2.1213 divided by dx dt means 2.1213. So it is equal to minus 1. So therefore equation of tangent line tangent is y minus y1, that means 2.1213 equal to x d slope means minus 1 into x minus x1 means 2.1213. Just simplify whatever you have, that is your answer. So for that type of question you can try this one, and now you can try question number this. So means you can try by yourself question number 3 also. Now I am going to write question number 4. What is the answer of question number 4? Question number 4. So I'm going to write the answer of question number 4 here. Second part, question number 4. So what is that? X equal to t plus 1 divided by t and y is equal to t minus 1 divided by t. T is equal to 1. So first of all, find the slope. So what we have to do? For writing slope, you need to differentiate x with respect to t. So t d dt of t is 1 minus d dt of 1 by t is minus 1 divided by t square. And dy dt is 1 minus, see that one, minus 1 by t, so minus 1 divided by t square plus. So what you have to do? Dx dt is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by t means 1. dy dt 1 plus 1 divided by 1. So it is 1 minus 1, that means 0. And dy dt is 2. So therefore dy dx is dy dt 2 divided by 0. 2 divided by 0 means it is undefined. So I think there is something wrong. So it is undefined. 2 divided by 0. So this is 2 divided by 0. So after that, so I think there is something wrong. So you can do like that one. No problem. You can try by yourself because of derivative only. Next thing is question number third part. For the following exercise, find d2 dx2. So for third part, what I am going to check for the third part, I need to d2 dx2. That means second derivative. That means second derivative. So how we can write the second derivative? How we can write the second derivative? So for third part, second derivative. So second derivative means for writing the second derivative, what we have to write? d2i dx2 means d dx of dy dx. So first of all, see, I am going to check how to write dy dx of this one. So previous method, just need to write by the previous method. I mean third part, dy dx. So first of all, we need to write dx dt. So dx dt means differentiate this one with respect to t. So it becomes 4t power 3. And dy dt. dy dt means differentiate this one. So differentiation of t with respect to t is 1 minus differentiation of t square is 2t. So therefore dy dx is equal to dy dt 1 minus 2t divided by dx dt, that means 4t cube. What you have to do, this is your first derivative. If you want to find the second derivative, just differentiate this one with respect to x again. D dx of dy dx will be equal to d2i dx2. So what you have to do, because you have already dy dx. What is dy dx? Dy dx is this one. 1 minus 2t divided by 4t cube. So what you have to do, differentiate this one. So it becomes d2i dx2 is equal to d dx. But here function is t. So what you have to do, just write it d dt of 1 minus 2t divided by 4t cube and dt dx right here, dt dx. That means differentiate this one. So differentiate this one by using u by v method. d dx of uv is v u dash minus u v dash divided by v square. So just keep it like that one. So this is v and this is u. So what is that? V, that means 4t cube, and then d dt of 1 minus 2t minus u 1 minus 2t, and then d dt of v 4t cube divided by 4t cube power 2 and multiplied by dt dx. dt dx means dx dt. dt dx means what you have to do, dt dx means opposite of that one. That means 1 divided by 4 power t cube. Just simplify it. 4 t cube and d dt of 1 minus this one is minus 2, because of derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of 2t is 2 minus 1 minus 2t, and derivative of this one is 12t square divided by 16t power 6 and 1 divided by 4t power 3. Just simplify. That is your answer in terms of second derivative. So just simplify it. Minus 8t power 3 minus multiplied by plus is minus 16t square, and minus multiplied by minus is plus. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32 t power 3 divided by 16 t power 6 and 1 divided by 4 power t cube. Just simplify it. It is 32 minus this one. So that means 32 minus 8. That means 24. 24 t cube minus 16 t square divided by 16 t power 6 and 1 divided by 4 t power 3. So now if you can simplify it, so we can take the outside t square common and 8. So 8 t square keep outside, so it will come 3t minus 2 divided by 16 t power 6 into 4 t power 3. So see that one? 8 divided by 16 is 2, and t square divided by this, so it will comes means d2 by dx2 is equal to 3t minus 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. T means t power 7 because of t power 6, and here 1 t is remaining. So this is your answer. Hopefully you people understand. I will solve this one in the next lecture.